The paper "Global Warming Benefits the Small in Aquatic Ecosystems" investigates how rising temperatures change the body size of aquatic organisms such as bacteria, plankton, and fish. The study identifies a major ecological response with help of three rules. Organisms living in water tend to become smaller as the climate warms. Bergman's rule states that among closely related species, smaller species tend to occur in warmer regions. James' rule applies the same idea within a single species. The temperature size rule explains that animals in warm conditions grow faster at first but stop growing sooner, reaching a smaller adult size. In this paper, researchers combined field data and published studies with controlled experiments that simulated different temperature conditions. Overall, the study examined several possible mechanisms that could explain why and how organisms tend to become smaller as temperature rises. The researchers also considered whether warming alters growth patterns, so that individuals grow faster at first but end up reaching a smaller adult size, and whether warmer conditions simply result in populations containing more young, naturally smaller individuals, which lowers the average body size. These mechanisms include shifts in the composition of whole communities, changes in how common small versus large species are, and size reductions that occur within individual species themselves. The results showed a clear pattern. Body sizes decreased as temperatures increased. These changes cannot simply be explained by fishing. Then, even in experiments without any fishing, the same effect appeared. This clearly shows that temperature itself is the driving force behind these changes. The paper therefore shows that rising temperature not only affects the climate but also the size, structure, and dynamics of aquatic organisms. Those fundamental changes must be taken seriously to understand how ecosystems will evolve in the future.